Hello, my name is Meredith Bratton, and I am a program associate at US Aging, working for the National Aging and Disability Transportation Center. Thank you for your interest in the 2024 Rural Community Innovations Transportation Planning Grant. I'm here to provide a step-by-step guide to filling out your application. Let's begin by visiting the NADTC application portal to access the system. If you've previously used SurveyMonkey Apply, or SM Apply for short, you can log in with your existing account and password by clicking Login. You can skip to step 2 of the written instructions. If you encounter any difficulties accessing an existing account, use the forgot your password function or email nadtcgrant@nadtc.org. If you do not have an SM Apply account, you must first register. To register for a new account, click on the Register button at the top right of your screen. Fill out the registration form with your information and then click on Create Account. You will see a registration confirmation page. Please click Continue to Site. You will receive a prompt stating your email address has not been verified. Click on Send Verification Link. Then go to your email. You will have received an email from SM Apply. Click on the email and then click on Confirm Email Address. You will now see this screen that says you have verified your email address. Click Continue. Now we can log in with our credentials that we just created. Now that we've logged in, we will see a page that says No Applications. Click on View Programs to see the current grant opportunities. Find the 2024 Rural Community Planning Grant and click on More. You will now see the program landing page. Click on Apply to begin your application. Enter the name of your organization and click Create Application. As a note on your application, you do not have to manually save your work when you exit the application. SM Apply does real-time auto-saving, so if at any point you need to exit the portal, the progress previously made will still be in the system. You are now viewing the application landing page. There are 8 tasks that must be completed in order to submit your application. Each task can be accessed by clicking in the individual task box. The first task will offer you the opportunity to begin to enter your application information. Some of the questions have word limits. You can see the word limit below. To upload a file, click Upload a File and upload it from your desktop. Once you have filled out all of the questions in each task, click Mark as complete at the bottom of the page. As a note, if you attempt to mark as complete when a task has not been filled out completely, you will receive an error message and be directed to fill out missing or incomplete fields. Continue completing the application by clicking on the remaining tasks listed on the left. As you work through your application, you will see your progress on the left-hand side of the screen via the status bar. Each completed task will have a green check mark next to it. Continue completing the application by clicking on the remaining tasks listed on the left. Note that if you would like to make any changes to any of the tasks after clicking Mark as complete, click the ellipses on the top right of the page. Then click Edit to change any of the information already entered. Note the tasks that have been started but not completed will be indicated by a green half circle in the task bar. Make sure to click Mark as complete at the bottom of the page once you have finished your edits. Note, if you would like to erase all the information that you have entered for a task and start from scratch, click the ellipses at the top right of the page. Then click Reset. A message will appear confirming that you wish to reset the task. Unless you would like to reset that task of your application, click No. If you click Yes, the information entered for the task will be erased and reset. Note the project summary and narrative questions have word limits. Maximum number of words will be displayed below the text box as you type. You will only be able to mark as complete at the bottom of the page if your answer is within the word limit. You will receive an error message if your response is over the word limit. The rest of the application involves uploading documents. You will be required to upload the following documents: the SAM registration document, this is within the first task, the budget form and narrative, the work plan, and 3 letters of commitment. To upload documents where templates are provided, that means the budget form and the work plan, click on the provided template hyperlink to download the form. Click Download the form offline. It with your information. Save it. Upload the form to the portal by clicking Attach File, select your saved file, it will then upload, and you can mark as complete. If you would like to make any edits, preview the document, remove the attachment, or download the attachment after you've uploaded your document, but before you've clicked Mark as complete, you can click on the ellipses on the right hand of the rectangular box. Once you are satisfied, click Mark as complete. Note that only document, PDF, and DocX will be accepted by SMApply for the work plan and letters of support. Only Excel documents will be accepted by SMApply for the budget form and narrative. To upload your work plan, click on a provided template hyperlink. Save it to your computer, where it will download. Complete the form offline. Save it. Then click Attach File. Select it from your computer. Then click Mark as complete. To upload each of your letters of commitment where a template is not provided, save the letters to your computer in one of these formats: .doc, .docx, .pdf. To upload them to the system, click Attach File and select your saved files. Then click Mark as complete. A few notes about the SMApply system. If at any point you have any questions or need assistance with the portal, click on the eye located in the top toolbar and you'll be given the following options: question about a program or information on this site, need help with using SurveyMonkey Apply, or having technical issues with this site. Feel free to click on any of these buttons if you have any questions. Also noted, on every page of the application, there will be an opportunity for you to access the RFP if that is needed. Click on Full RFP to access it. Once your application is complete, you have the option to review or submit your application. If you click Submit, you will see the following screen and be given the option to submit or review. If you click Review, it will generate a one-page summary of everything you have filled out and uploaded. You will have an option to review everything you have submitted online by scrolling down, or you can download a preview of the completed application by clicking Download. If you choose to download the preview of the application, it will take you to this page where you will again click Download. You now have a full PDF of a preview of your application. If you'd like to make any changes to your application after looking over the review, click Back to Application. You'll be taken back to the application page where you can click into and edit any of the sections. When you are ready to submit your final application, click Submit Your Application, located at the top right of the screen. You will then receive the following prompt. If you need to return to the application to make any changes before submitting, click Cancel. Once you are ready to submit the application, click Submit. Now you will receive a confirmation email from SM Apply that the application was submitted. Review your application anytime by logging into your SM Apply account with your login credentials. Please feel free to reach out to NADTC Grant at nadtc.org or call 866-983-3222 with any questions. Thank you for your interest in the 2024 Rural Community Innovations Transportation Planning Grant.